In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add scripts in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Tools tab is selected. Then, in the Tools setting, scroll down and look for the Bulk Actions option. Click and expand it. Now from the drop-down, look for the Scripts option. Click on it. That will open your scripts and you'll find all your scripts there. You can also see your script's history by clicking the Script History tab on the top. Now to add a script to your ad, click on the plus button right below the Scripts tab. You can create a new script from scratch by yourself, or you can start from script templates. I'll select the New Script option. Then give your script a name, and go ahead and write your script or copy and paste it between the curled brackets if you have it already written somewhere else. You can run and see if there's anything wrong with your script. Then, once you're done, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. You can also preview it by clicking the Preview button right next to the Save button. Once you're done, click Close, and you'll see your script under the Scripts tab. And also, don't forget to click Authorize to grant the script access to your account. And that's it. That's how you add scripts in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.